Hello, my name is Samara Demary, and I'm serving as the 2020-2021 Student Government Association President. Although we may have different backgrounds, beliefs, and thoughts, there's one thing that we do have in common, and that's our PACER community. Here's how we stay committed to our WPU community.
I commit to community by showcasing our student athletes and giving them the best experience that I can while they're participating in our athletic department.
Commitment to community means to me supporting and celebrating each other. Supporting each other and being there for each other when we most need it, and also celebrating our differences and what makes us us.
I commit to the community by showing up in communities and with love, compassion, and education, and being a social justice activist.
Commitment to community means doing everything in my power to support and protect those around me.
I commit to the community by getting involved in events around campus, knowing what's to come, and spreading positivity wherever I go.
Commitment to community means understanding others' differences, their different backgrounds and opinions, and loving and respecting them as they are.
I commit to community by going to events whenever possible, because as a biology major, everything's kind of wacky, and helping out around campus whenever I can.
Commitment to community means thinking collectively as a community here at Peace instead of just individually. So we can have our classes in person next semester, we can have athletics again, and hopefully have a really good senior year for class of 2021.
Commitment to the community means being a line of support. Being a friend to someone whenever they have issues or anything and giving them an unbiased opinion and making sure that you're there for them, that's what being committed to the community means to me.
I commit to community here at William Peace University by wearing a mask and doing my part in socially distancing so that we can resume in-person classes, have events on campus, and just get back to having the fun atmosphere that everyone loves at Peace.
I commit to community at WPU by trying to be a friendly face on campus, by giving a smile to everybody, and by checking in on my friends almost daily.
The way that I commit to community is I get involved on campus. So whether you are a resident assistant, orientation leader, peer mentor, RSO representative, you contribute to building the community as well as making this commitment to community experience to make sure that you have the best 4 years as possible.
Commitment to community means sticking together no matter what. Knowing that we're all standing together as one, no matter what's going on around us, whether that's locally, globally, or on our small campus.